My heart is so full of longing. I wish to be close to my beloved. I dream to walk in the streets of Medina and to quench the thirst of my spirit by visiting you, O Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka habibi ya Nabi Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka habibi ya Nabi Allah. Ya Rasulallah. I control my troubles and worries as I entered your mosque so gently, and as I finally stood there before you, I couldn't stop my tears from falling in your presence, O Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka ya Habiballah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka habibi ya Nabi Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka habibi ya Nabi Allah. Oh Taiba, your breeze is so blessed, it brought life back to my spirit. I flood my heart with my beloved, sending blessing on Muhammad.